Hi, I'm Lexi. Do you know how much is a baker's dozen? Let's learn 13 must-know measurement idioms. Number 1. Baker's dozen. It means 13 items instead of 12, given as a bonus. Example: the shopkeeper handed me a baker's dozen of eggs for free. Number 2. Give an inch, take a mile. It means, if you make a small concession, someone will demand much more. Example: I lent him my notes for one class, and now he wants all my semester work. Give an inch, take a mile. Number 3. Within an inch of one's life. It means beating or scolding someone extremely harshly, nearly to death figuratively. Example: the coach drilled us within an inch of our lives before the big game. Number 4. Ton of bricks. It means something that hits suddenly and with great force or punishment. Example: the news came down on her like a ton of bricks. Number 5. Whole 9 yards. It means all of it, the full measure. Example: she went the whole 9 yards to plan the perfect party. Number 6. All wool and a yard wide. It means a person of excellent, genuine character. Example: he's all wool and a yard wide, you can trust him completely. Number 7. For good measure. It means adding something extra just in case. Example: I packed an extra jacket for good measure. Number 8. Inch perfect. It means extremely precise or flawless. Example: her performance was inch perfect from start to finish. Number 9. 10-foot pole. It means something you wouldn't touch due to disgust or risk. Example: I wouldn't touch that deal with a 10-foot pole. Number 10. Measure up. It means meet the required standard. Example: the new hire doesn't measure up to our expectations. Number 11. By a hair's breadth. It means by an extremely small margin, almost failing or succeeding. Example: she won the race by a hair's breadth, just milliseconds ahead. Number 12. Worth one's salt. It means valuable or competent enough to deserve pay or respect. Example: new hires must prove they're worth their salt in the first month. Number 13. Short measure. It means giving less than the full amount promised, often dishonestly. Example: the vendor was caught giving short measure on fuel sales. Wow, we measured up 13 awesome idioms today. Scroll up for the quiz. Hit like if you learned something. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane for more idiom fun every day.